Question of the day. Are you ready to slay? Welcome back, my Kyrie queens. It's your girl, Kyrie Contour. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click that bell just so you can get all the notifications for when I post my videos. So excited for this tutorial today. It is a look that I created using the James Charles palette. So amazing, like I love it. It blends so nicely and so seamlessly, and I got this crazy look from it. To be honest, my inspiration was like rock star-ish, drag queen type of fabulous diva type of. I never do blue eyeshadows. Let me make sure that's all. I have a hint of purple in there, but you know I always love my purple. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. Like, oh my gosh, I feel brand new. I feel like, ooh. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look today, just sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Oh, I'm giving y'all some face today. But hold up. For today's video, I want to give an enormous and full of love shout out to my baby cousin Savannah. I love you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching all my videos. You be on point, girl. You be like, okay, what time is coming out? But thank you so much. I love you, baby girl, and I hope you continue to enjoy my videos. All right, we are here. I did my eyebrows off camera. Today, I am gonna unbox the James Charles palette. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm gonna have so much fun. Oh my God. I'm just ready to just dive in, right? Okay, so we're gonna go in with our NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with the first shade on my brow bone. It's called Canvas. It just looks so nice on here. We're gonna see how it works out on my brow. And just bring it right here, just to make sure when you're putting everything else on, it blends seamlessly and flawlessly, right? Okay guys, so for our next color, we're gonna go ahead and go into Playground. And that's what it looks like on the brush. Oh my God. I'm gonna pass out. I'm done. I'm gonna just leave it like this. That's it. Thank y'all for coming today. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye now. I am packing it in and then kind of blending. We're just gonna take a clean, angled, fluffy brush and blend the outer edges. We don't want any sharp lines here. We gotta get some blending going. Okay, let's just move on. I'm gonna do the other eye. We gotta move on to the next color. Anyways, I'm gonna go into my Color Story palette here. It's called Tropical Glow, I think. Yes. And I'm gonna go into the Laguna shade here. It's kind of like the Playground, but a brighter, not a brighter, a lighter blue. So I'm gonna go right on top of there. I'm gonna go in and make my crease a little bit darker. I'm gonna go in with Wave Maker, and it's just like a shimmery navy blue. Using a defined crease brush, get some of that and go to town. I'm just bringing it and bringing it over a little to my inner corner here and blending it up. I'm gonna try something and we'll see how it works. They use Vaseline to cut the crease, so I'm gonna try that today, and if it doesn't work, I'll just never do it again. So I'm just taking some of the milk, rubbing that on the back of my hand, getting some products on there. Then I'm gonna go in with my lightest concealer that I have, mixing that in with it. All right, Jesus, take the wheel. Next color is Hello. Hello! I keep my eye closed like this because I do not want my very big eyelid to crease. I cannot even begin to tell you with my one eye open, it looks pretty. Pack that in. I'm just gonna pack it in right now and blend it out later. I'm gonna go in with Acapella. I'm gonna go in with Artistry. It's a big palette, that's why I haven't been showing you all the colors, but I think this is worth the show. The shimmery purple shade here. I'm gonna take a defined smoky eye blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with Escape. It's like a deep purple. I don't know what it looks like, guys. I'm blind. I need my glasses. Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Urban Decay eyeshadow in Solstice. That's it there. I love it. It's like almost to the pan. Actually, to the pan now. So guys, I'm just gonna do the other eye. Okay guys, I think that I matched everything up the way I was supposed to. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a deeper blue. Yeah. It's called Sail Away, and it's like a almost black, like a blue black, but not quite yet black. I just want to get some of this and put it on the outer corner just a little bit. I'm liking it so far. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Right now, I'm just going to do my foundation off camera. We're gonna see how that turns out. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just baking under my eyes so that my concealer doesn't crease up and I'm looking all crazy and weird. So I'm gonna go in under my eye here. So we're gonna go in with Wave Maker. So what I did before I did my foundation, I just wiped off the excess eyeshadow just to give it that snatch. So we're just gonna go on the other eye here. I'm gonna go back into the James Charles palette, my new favorite palette, and go in with that blue. I believe it's called Playground. And I'm gonna go right under what I already did. I can't see, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that Urban Decay Shimmer Shadow, Press Shadow. I think they call it, it's just the eyeshadow on here. We're just gonna put it in the inner corner of the eye. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my mascara and my lashes, and I'll come back to finish up the look. Okay guys, we are back. I'm just gonna go with a nude lip today. I have this from, I don't even know where this is from, but it is a matte lip, Black Radiance, sorry. It's a matte lip in the shade Doll Face. I'm gonna just do probably a light gloss on top of it from Rimmel. Make sure your lips are moisturized because mine are not, and I'm a bad example. Hey guys, always gotta do that because I'll get some lipstick on my teeth and I'll be looking a hot mess on camera. Drop a comment down below if you guys like what you're looking at right now. This palette was $39 and I got 10% off, so it was like $33 or $32. But it was great and it took maybe 2 weeks to come in. Look at this. Like, I feel like Diana Ross, but like rock and roll Diana Ross, if that makes sense. I love all of you guys. I appreciate all you guys for taking your time out to have me in your home, on your phone, on your TV, on your computer. We're gonna wrap it up. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.